It's yoga dice battle. Are you ready?
Yes.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Very good. No, Antoine. Namaste.
Namaste.
Good. Okay, so here we go. Who wants to play? I think Ben and Antoine went out, okay? Okay, so you're on Ben's team. I'm on Antoine's team. And we are going to roll our dice, our yoga dice. The pose that comes up is what you have to do.
Okay.
The first team to get the right pose wins a point. Ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Roll the dice. Oh, look! You're a fish.
And you're an airplane.
Okay.
Okay. Namaste.
Namaste. Okay.
You're a fish.
Airplane. I fell down.
Antoine wins.
Ah.
Yes. 1 point for you. Okay.
Nice.
Now it's our turn. You guys roll the die.
Okay.
The dice. Okay.
And 2, 3. Alice, you're a tree.
You're a turtle.
Namaste.
Oh, look at Alice. Oh, nice. Ah, no. Who wins? I think.
I think it's a tie.
Oh.
I think it's a tie. Ah, that's okay.
2 points for us. 1 point for you.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Roll the die.
Okay.
So ready.
Ready?
The frog.
You're a giraffe.
I'm a giraffe.
I'm a frog.
You're a frog.
Okay.
Breathe.
This one.
Namaste.
Namaste. Okay. Giraffe. The giraffe is. It's like this. The giraffe. I win.
Yes.
Oh, look at this. Hey. It was a beautiful giraffe.
2-2. 2 for you. 2 points for us. It's a tie.
Good job.
Good job.
Honestly, good job.
Yoga dice battles rule. Yes.